Hello guys, if you wanna use one-hand mode in the Motorola One Zoom, for the first you have to open Moto application. Now just scroll down, go to the Moto actions, scroll down again, and as you can see there's option swipe to shrink, and just click on this switcher to turn it on. Okay, and size now, when we just click here and drag, oh wait again, if we drag here and swipe to the left or the right, our window will be much smaller, so now we can easily just use with one hand, as you can see. But if you wanna, of course, just leave it, we have to click here. So it's pretty easy and useful, so if you like it, please leave subscriptions, likes, and of course comments below if you have any questions. You can also visit our website HardReset.Info. There's frequently asked questions section, so you will find there a lot of good tips and tricks with your Motorola One Zoom. So thank you for watching again.